What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. I'm going to be going up this mountain on this bike. This is the Honda Rebel. This is my girlfriend's bike. It's the Honda Rebel 500. But I want to see if it makes it up. And that's kind of what we're going to do. We're going to pretty much stay silent. And we're going to just have a lot of fun. I'm listening to music here on my Cardo Slim system. Got my GoPro on an extended, or not my GoPro, I'm sorry, my Yi on an extended pole. Let's see if that works. But let's just go ahead and do it. For the most part, I will stay silent. This is going to be a longer type video. But if you want to see more Honda Rebel 500, this is a Honda Rebel 500 with ABS. If you want to see more of this on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right next to this notification bell button. And you'll be notified every single time I post a video. And if you want to see me edit this video behind the scenes and ask me questions and hang out with me, make sure you join my Patreon. It's only $1 a month. But let's have some fun, okay, guys? I think it goes up to 7,000 to 8,000 elevation. So this is gonna be a nice little ride starting at, I don't know what, but probably like 100 elevation. Someone can correct me if they want. I'll be going to the campsite. Where we're gonna have the DDFM camp out April 12th to the 14th. So if you wanna get more information on that and come up here with me and camp with me, have some beers, relax, then make sure you click that link in the description. All right, let's have fun now. Enough talking. Mile 1. Practicing my counter steering. If you guys want to check that video out, I'll have that link in the description. It's a nice truck. Look at that view. Remember, I'm going up in elevation. I'm not going downhill. This is a Rebel 500 with ABS, 2018. Damn, we got a truck. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This bike's only got 142 miles on it. .4,000 elevation right now. Let's try this position. Another car. Guys, this Honda Rebel 500 is killing it up this mountain. Obviously, it's not like my 1200. My 1200, I feel like I have a better response. Oh, come on, please pull over. This is a pull out. So anyways, I guess this will give us time to chit chat. It's not like my 1200 where I have a lot more responsiveness, obviously with a lot more power, because I do have a Barnett clutch. I got, you know, the fuel pack, aftermarket exhaust, aftermarket intake. So it's basically, what, is that a stage 1? So it's not as powerful as that, but oh my gosh, for a Rebel 5, there we go, thank you. See, look, let's see how much power. Okay. You did a little bit late. See, right there what I was talking about, I don't have a lot of response, so on that guy was already, you know, coming back out from his pull-out. He didn't give me really good indication. And I couldn't accelerate. But when you get going, man, you have a lot of fun. Plus the braking's fine. Really, the only thing that you do not have when it comes to a more powerful bike is the acceleration and power. But this is easily making it up, and I'm having a ton of fun. I probably should have downshifted too. All right, this is one of my favorite turns right here. Ooh, it's getting cold. Mile 6. Make sure you look through the turns, counter steer. Look at your exit, pick your line. Look where you want to go. If you can, look 12 to 14 seconds ahead of you. That big opening allowed me to see if there's any cars coming. Special event ahead. Okay. $5,000 elevation. Another car. Alright. Gives us time to look at the Thimble Peak Vista, which is a quarter mile ahead off, I believe, to the left. Great views up here. It's a wonderful ride. It's more than likely clear road. This is a Tuesday morning at 10:20 in the morning. Alright, let's go and downshift. Let's see if that works for us. There we go. A little bit more power. A little bit more torque. Thank you, thank you. Let's have it. It's a Vista Point right there. Oh, I think this is one of my favorite turns right here. Alright. Perfect. Love it. A few tar snakes here. One thing I really like about Mount Lemmon is that it starts off, this is mile 9, it starts off as like a desert. It gets colder and colder, higher elevation. You have pretty much every ecosystem here on the mountain. So you get cactus and stuff on the bottom, bushes on the bottom. We're starting to hit medium-sized trees and shrubs. And very soon we're gonna be hitting pine trees. I believe ponderosa pine. And the campsite is all pine. The campsite is all wooded. Doesn't look like it's wooded now, but it's gonna get wooded soon. Now, when we do the DDFM camp out, we're not going to be doing this. We're going to be going up the mountain, nice and easy. I might even rent a van so we can take some people that are flying in, mile 10. But I want to see what the Honda Rebel 500 can do and how it feels on climbing a mountain. And I'm going to tell you right now, it feels fun. Is that all that matters? It feels fun, right? Ooh, smells like skunk. Here we go, we got trees. All right, 6,000 elevation, mile 12. We got a bunch of cars in front of us, so we're gonna take it nice and easy here. In 4th gear. All right, this is weird. I wonder if there's construction, but this is Windy Point Vista. Okay, there is construction. This is Windy Point Vista, and I don't know why everyone's in the left lane. This is America. This is a beautiful Vista Point right here, but we're going to go up a little bit further to check out the campground. So this is my favorite part of the mountain right here. I am really confused why we're still riding in this lane, but this is my favorite part of the mountain. Beautiful views. It's basically a ridgeback at this small section, and you can see everything. It's beautiful. I'll be coming down on the mountain with my 360 camera right there, so hopefully I'll be able to get some good views of that, but you get all this. All right, getting pretty close to Rose Canyon Lake. This is where we're gonna have the camp out. Like I said, there's about 15 slots available right now, so if you still want to join up, it's $45 per person to sign up, but $40 gets returned to you when you show up to the campsite. So really, to camp Friday night, Saturday night, and come back and go leave whatever on Sunday for $5, it's not a bad deal. If this does fill up, there's a ton of campsites on the campgrounds. See how beautiful this is? There's a bunch of campsites on the campgrounds that if you want to still go, you're gonna have to pay the normal fee. But I was able to purchase a huge section just for myself. Fee booth closed, you self-pay. Okay, okay. So this is where we're actually gonna go. So that's the first booth. There's a group area right here that you can reserve. I didn't get this. I got this. Let's see if there's anybody actually here. Hopefully I'm not bothering anybody, but this is where we're pulling in and it's closed. Sites 1 through 5. Okay, so there's no one there, but I reserved it. Nope, not gonna do it. But that's the area. Let's go check it out. I'll see you guys later, all right? That was an interesting ride.